we're back at the RCAT show in Houston, Texas. This is Heidi Ellsworth, and we're making our way around. Found EagleView. John, thank you. We just had to stop. We love EagleView, and there's so much to talk about. So, John, can you introduce yourself to everybody a little bit about you and what you do?
Absolutely, Heidi. Thanks for stopping by. My name's John Carter. I'm the regional sales manager for EagleView. I've been in the industry for about 10 years before getting over to EagleView and the technology side. EagleView, as a lot of you guys know, but some don't know, we fly airplanes. A lot of people think we get our imagery from satellites like our competition does, but we're actually flying over your market every single year. We're flying every single day. We cover 95% of the US population, and we have the most accurate roof reports because we're actually flying airplanes and not using satellite imagery.
And you know, I know a little bit about this since I was with EagleView back in the day, and those airplanes, it is amazing. I mean, when I look at the resolution of the imagery that EagleView has today from when we started back in 2008, it's amazing. It's amazing.
It's absolutely incredible. You know, we started with little Cessna planes back in the day, and we're actually still using the Cessna planes, but we get like a new attachment onto the camera every year, and these cameras are getting more and more fancy as you're using your iPhone right now, and you know. And so we're picking up more and more data as we learn and grow and get more into the market. And that is one of the biggest reasons why we're here and we're in these conferences. We like to share the data that we can provide other than the roof report that everyone's used to. And we're getting more and more of these reports put together for contractors to help them out in the field.
And you talk about the years of data on homes, changes, what's happening, buildings across the country. And now when I think about, we're talking about a little bit about resolution, you have something over there that is just blowing people's minds, right? Yeah, tell us about it.
Of course. So we do have a new drone product out at EagleView. We've always flown at 6,000 feet up in the air to collect your roof measurements, but now we're actually collecting all the data on the roof with our new Skydio 2 drone.
Wow.
What this drone does is you set it up right in front of your house. It flies itself completely. You literally break out your controller and iPad. You press start, the drone's going to fly over the entire house by itself. No controlling it or anything like that. It's going to scan every single facet, every single shingle. While it's up there, what it's doing is detecting, it's using machine learning, AI technology. It's detecting every single anomaly on that roof. We're then stitching all the imagery on the back end and bringing it to your computer screen. So whether you're using it as a marketing tool, whether you're using it as a presentation tool, you have the rooftop at your fingertips to do what you need necessary to get that job moving forward.
And this program you have is called Assess.
Correct,
right?
yeah.
So we're in Texas, the hail
capital.
The hail capital, big old honking pieces of hail. This can help find damage.
Absolutely. So EagleView's always been known for really helping out the friction in the measurement process. The insurance companies have a big interest, and so do the contractors, in how EagleView can help in assessing damage. So that's why we named it Assess, and that's exactly what this drone is doing. It's a third-party product. It's not the insurance company saying what damage is. It's not the contractor saying what the damage is. It's our new fancy technology,
which is
made in America,
I love
that tells you exactly what it is, and it's going to help you determine if it's a job that needs to be done and move through the claim process or not.
We need that. We need that third party. I mean, there's so much contention, but really, at the end of the day, everybody wants to take care of the consumer, right? The homeowner, the building owner. This gives them that third party data that is so critical.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
it's really exciting because it is a real hot point right now. So one thing we've noticed out in market, we get around quite a bit. We talk to a lot of people. The insurance companies are getting tougher and tougher, and for good reason. You know, contractors have learned how to game the system. The insurance companies have been doing one thing all these years, and now people are catching on to how it works. And so we just need a more fluid and more like systematic way of how we get these claims processed, and this drone's going to help out a lot doing that.
It really makes a difference.
Wow,
that's so exciting. So what are you hearing from the contractors who are coming into the booth, seeing the drone, seeing everything that you're doing? What's the feedback?
So it's funny at EagleView. So everyone has been using our roof report for the last 20 years, and so you'll have people walking by, they'll be like, oh yeah, I use you all the time. We know EagleView, but the truth of the matter is we have 6 new products out, the drone being one of them. we have found all this data that we've not extracted over the years that we're now starting to extract. And whether it's a solar report that's going to help you reduce the change orders in the design and bidding process, whether it's a siding report that's going to measure all your walls, windows, and doors, or whether it's a metal installation product, which will do all your cut sheets. It'll give you every single document up to down of what you need for installing a metal job. We're here to help out our contractors, and we're here to give you more data to help you out in the field.
We are doing so much with EagleView.
Yeah.
EagleView is a great partner. Metal Coffee Shop, obviously, we're all working together on this.
Of course.
And it is like, I have to tell you, John, from the point when I remember starting with EagleView and to where we're at today, and when the cuts that I see and the takeoffs and for metal is phenomenal. I don't even think people realize how incredible it is.
So it's interesting. So coming from the commercial world, we did a lot of metal like on commercial buildings, and it's kind of always, and I've learned this in the residential world, it's kind of a scary process if you've never done it before. What this new EagleView and Roof and Passport product does is it allows contractors that haven't necessarily done that metal job in the past to bring it into their arsenal as an offering, and to bid efficiently, quickly, and most importantly, accurately, and so that they don't have to worry about losing money on the job, and make sure that they treat their customers right at the same time.
And I tell you, for people who have been doing, companies that have been doing a lot of metal, this is going to change your life. The process, how easy it is for your estimators, the accuracy. So we're going to be at MetalCon in 2 weeks. We're pretty excited because I know EagleView will be there.
We will definitely be there.
We're going to do it. So we're all on the road, this little caravan across the country. So John, it's just been delightful meeting you. Thank you so much.
Heidi, absolute pleasure.
Always.
Thank you so much.
And thank you all. We're going to do one more let's try that again. We're going to do one more recap. Megan and I'll be coming back to you here momentarily to talk about the show, and this has been a tremendous success. We love RCAT. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.